What is up, everybody, and welcome to another episode brought to you by Backyard Zombie. In today's episode, I'm going to be finishing the Regal Cinemas 3D printed popcorn bucket for the new film Iron Lung by Markiplier.
I'm sorry, Iron Lung? Isn't that a polio thing?
It's Iron Lung. It's based off a video game, and Markiplier made a movie about it. It's not about polio.
I know a joke about polio.
Polio is no laughing matter, dummy!
Please do not tell a polio joke.
Did you hear about the guy who got polio? Yes, Marco never saw it coming.
Good God.
What? It was funnier on Reddit.
Get off the internet!
On with the build.
So the first thing we start with is black acrylic paint. Now this was rush printed by Ryan of Meltaway 3D. Thank you, Ryan. I have a picture, but I was so excited to get this started that I just started throwing paint on because I was very excited to start this project. So we're going to cover everything black, then move to the pink, and I'm going to do this kind of like blending where I start with pink and then work my way out into darker colors. I don't know, sunbursting it, I guess, but we're going to start with the pink at the center, and then we're going to use this red acrylic paint that's a little darker than the actual bucket to kind of like blend into that, so it kind of looks like flesh. And then the teeth I'm going to paint with this suede paint. I love painting bones with this suede paint because you can make them grimy, but I'm just going to go in with this color. I'm going to do a couple coats on these teeth, and then to bring out some more blood and gore effects, later, I'm going to use this enamel red paint, and I'm just going to go around all the blood spatter that's in the print, and then around the teeth, around all the guts and the gore of the mouth of this creature. And it's going to pay off later when we use the blood on top of that enamel, and that is just the base paint of this project. And then we're going to go in with some clear coat on that, but then we're going to switch to the top part of the bucket, and I'm going to start with some gloss enamel red paint so it looks wet and gooey, and then we're going to go in with my favorite blood, which is the perma blood from Fright Props. I love this blood. I love using it. I'm going to have to get more soon because I'm running out, but just doing splatter, drips, I want this thing to be bloody, and gooey, and it looks so cool. And then we're going to break out some bristle, like fine bristle brushes or thick bristle brushes, and I'm going to do some spatter and some pouring all over the bucket. And yes, I am watching Rachel Makesy because I just enjoy watching her videos as I'm making a video. And we're just going to spatter. We're going to do some drips and some blood, and it just helps make this bucket more bloody and gooey. Then I'm going to use this Blood of the Blood God for the actual logo on the bucket, and this looks so freaking cool.
And there you have it, folks. That is how I painted my 3D printed Regal Cinemas Markiplier Iron Lung popcorn bucket. I know that was a lot to say, but I had so much fun painting this. I love painting blood. Blood effects are really fun to paint. I just really enjoy the detail and all the fun gooiness of painting blood and like blood. I don't know. I just really enjoy it. I do want to make a huge shout out to my friend Ryan Myers, who is the creator and owner of Meltaway 3D. Ryan was able to rush order me this, and this is so freaking cool. So thank you so much, Ryan. Thank you for all the 3D print stuff that you've been able to do for the channel, and for all the little fidget toys that you gift my wife. She really loves those. But this came out so beautifully, and he did it like that. He rushed ordered it for me, and I'm so excited about being able to paint this up. Now, if you want to print this yourself, you can go online. The files are available right now. I don't know how long they're going to be available. But also, Regal Cinemas have put up a pre-order for this bucket, which is a more streamlined version of this bucket. It just looks safer. It looks like the G-rated version to this R-rated bucket. But so you can pre-order that if you don't have a 3D printer. But I am so excited that I was able to have access to somebody who has a 3D printer who was able to print me this bucket, and I got to finish it, and I love it. I'm probably not going to eat popcorn out of it. I just like to look at it because it's bloody and gooey and awesome. So if you guys like this video, hopefully you did, you'll think about liking this video, you'll think about subscribing, and hopefully we will see you in the next video brought to you by Backyard Zombie, where we keep it bloody and gooey. See you next time.
Make sure you like and subscribe for more Backyard Zombie fun, or I'll come for you in the darkness. Hee 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 hee.